Hello, this is Chris from the Pubs Advisory Service podcast channel, giving you some more information today, guidance related to claiming your business, your pub business, for the Valuation Office Agency. This is when you want to challenge your business rates. You will need to create an account with .gov.uk called a Government Gateway account. And if you've never done one before, you need to search .gov.uk and look for register for a business rates valuation account. This will take you through the process about how to register and create a new government gateway. This also means you can appoint people as well, like Pubs Advisory Service, to be your agent. However, we don't need to be appointed an agent under the gateway. We just need to be appointed under the VOA's portal. Think of the VOA's portal as a special website where the VOA have extra information that they can show to the business owner. But there's two processes. One is you need to get a government gateway account, which is related to the business rates valuation. And then once you've received it, you need to add your property to that account. Just simply registering for the government gateway does not give them any indication that you actually run or own that business that you're trying to claim. So if you're looking to get further information about the business rates behind your public house and or enter into a challenge where you challenge the VOA for their valuation, then you need to get the government gateway first, and then you need to add the property to your account. And again, you can search .gov.uk for add your property to your account, and this will take you through the steps. This second step can take up to 3 weeks. They actually advise that it should be 20 working days. So as you see, that could be 4 weeks if you take 5 working days in a week. So expect a bit of a delay while you do this. So it's not something you can do instantly, but you can get the ball rolling, and there is no charge. .gov.uk are not charging for you to enter into a government gateway account or add a property to that. Once you've done that, you will be able to add the Pubs Advisory Service as an agent once you've got your account, and then we'll be able to look at the information. Helpfully, the VOA Gov UK actually has a YouTube channel. It doesn't have very many subscribers, but it does have a couple of videos on there, very useful. One of them is the business rates valuation account registration. And this takes you through the steps basically of applying online to get the right account. And this is a very useful video, and it is only 3 minutes long, so it is quite handy to go through the steps here and see that one. The other video which they have under the voa.gov.uk is how to claim your property for business rates. And this is the one whereby you actually can see right through the process, and they hypothetically go through the process, and you'll be able to claim your property and add an agent. So you can appoint an agent, Pubs Advisory Service, to your property, and that enables your agent also to be notified about any changes, log in, and help you through the process of doing a check challenge appeal. So we just wanted to highlight very clearly how that there are a couple of steps, and there are some useful YouTube videos which we will add to our Pubs Advisory Service channel over here, and we'll put them under the guidance playlist. So if you go onto there and search for playlists, you should find one related to guidance, and you'll be able to search through that and see the VOA videos. So if you have any difficulties and you would like to challenge your business rates, apply for your business, claim it, etc., and add us as an agent, then please drop us a line. Email us commercial@pubs.expert. If you drop us a line on commercial@pubs.expert saying, I would like help registering my business for business rates, we can send you back some information that will take you through the process. Thanks for watching.